We receive messages from different people on Instagram every day. Our posts are also commented on by both people we know and people we don't know. These messages and comments sometimes contain offensive and inappropriate words. Did you know that you can control the content of the messages and comments you receive? You can create a list of words, phrases, and emojis that you do not want to see and read in messages and comments under your posts. Let's do this together. Open the Instagram app. Then go to your profile. Tap the 3 lines in the top right corner to access your profile settings. Scroll down until you find the Hidden Words section. Open it. Continue by clicking the Continue button. At the bottom of the screen, find and open the Manage Custom Words and Phrases section. Here, add all the unwanted words, phrases, and emojis. Enter the word in the field and press Add on the right side. I added 1 word at a time. You can add multiple words at once, just separate them with commas. The process is the same for phrases and emojis. By clicking on Tap to see your list, you can see all the words, phrases, and emojis you have added. You can change the list at any time. You can edit a word or phrase by clicking on it. Enter the desired change and press the check mark. If you want to delete a word, click on it and then on the trash can on the right side. This concludes our tutorial. For more digital tips, check out other tutorials on the channel and subscribe.